channel. So today in this video I'm going to recreate this look that I'm wearing right now. It's just a fun, colorful, summer kind of makeup look. It is colorful and fun, but at the same time it is super wearable because it's not so dramatic. It's very soft, colorful makeup look that is perfect for summer outing. So if you guys want to know how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have now nothing in my face without moisturizer. Now for the primer, as long I'm doing like summer looks, so of course in the summer you want to be hydrated at the same time, not oily. So today I'm going to use two primer, one from Makeup Revolution. This is their hydrate primer. I love this primer because it's not greasy but it do hydrate your skin. And this one from Catrice, this is their Prime and Fine primer. This one helps to control the oil, so this two combination of primer I love, so I'm gonna use them. And I'm gonna apply this one first. I'm just gonna apply and then wait till it dry before I apply my second primer. Alright, so the primer almost dried down, so now I'm gonna take this Catrice Prime and Fine primer. I'm not gonna take a lot of it. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit and then I'm gonna almost like apply it in my T-zone area and then just massage from there. Alright, so as long the primer is on, now for the foundation I'm going with this one from Urban Decay. This is their Stay Naked foundation in the shade 50NN. This foundation is super long wearing, but it's not too heavy in the skin, and this is not full coverage. This is like medium coverage foundation. I did review this foundation. If you haven't checked my video, then you must go and check it out. I will put the link in the description box below and at the same time maybe in the card. And I'm just applying the foundation with a beauty sponge. I'm not using a full coverage foundation because when you're talking about summer, you don't want to use very heavy foundation because it will look really cakey when you will start sweating and all that stuff. So I'm using this one because this foundation is a foundation that I really love. Though the color is not a perfect match for me, but I can make it work. Alright, now for the concealer, I'm going with this concealer. This is from Fit Me and this is their this is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade, 30, which is Honey. So I'm just gonna kind of apply under my eyes, a little in here, my nose. You know already. This is where I apply in my every single video. And not only in video, this is where I normally apply my concealer. And then I'm just gonna quickly set my under eye, basically my T-zone, and I'm using this powder. This is from Milani. This is their Prep Set and Glow. And then I'm just setting everywhere I used concealer. Alright, so my face completely set. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow off camera just because I don't spend my time doing my eyebrow here. It do take a little bit time, but guys, I did a specific eyebrow tutorial in my channel. If you haven't checked that out, then check out the video. I'll put the link in the description box below and also in the card. Oh my god, I am a little mess today. My mental condition also. Okay, so excuse me for that. I'm just gonna do my eyebrow and get back. Alright guys, so I'm back and my eyebrow is completely done. And now for the eye look, I'm not gonna prime because as you saw that when I was doing my concealer, I also primed my eyelids. So yeah, no primer needed. Alright, so for today's eye look, I'm going to use this gorgeous palette. This is from BH Cosmetic and this is their Glam Reflection Gilded palette. I have this palette for many years, or maybe more than a year, and I haven't touched this palette till then. Oh no, okay, I can see that I touched this color. I can't remember when. Alright, I'm taking my words back. So as you can see, this palette is so gorgeous and it have all the fun color that I want to use today for today's eye look. Alright, so as my first transition shade, I'm going to use this color. So I'm applying the color in my crease just like this. I'm also applying the color kinda in my outer corner and blending it in the crease. And now I'm going to take this color from the palette and I'm going to apply the color above of that previous shade. This is kind of like a not yellow, orangey yellow kind of color, so I'm kind of applying it above of that. Alright, so this one is completely blended. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, this one. So I'm gonna apply it only and only in my outer corner, just here. So I'm kind of packing the color just in a dabbing motion. I wish this orangey shade is a little bit pigmented than this, but then it's okay. So I'm just gonna take the same brush that applied the yellow shade and I'm just gonna blend in the crease so there is no harsh line. The next shade I'm going to take this amazing shade right here. I'm going to apply this shade from my inner lid till the middle. If you want this shadow to be more pigmented, then must try to spray your brush with a setting spray and then go apply this color. That's gonna be perfect, and I believe that's gonna be super pigmented. But for today's look, I want that colorful but soft colorful look, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna apply it just like this. Alright guys, now to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use this shade, this one right here, and I'm going to just highlight my brow bone. Alright guys, so that's the complete eye look. Now I'm just gonna put some mascara, some liner, and I'm also gonna finish up this eye and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back guys. Just don't ask me what happened. I was recording, like I did my blush, my highlight, my contour. I was like, okay, I am recording, I'm talking, and then I was like, no, I'm actually not. Alright, so as long as I missed it and I almost completed my face, I'm just gonna tell you what I applied and what not, but I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up look for my eye look. So here is the close-up look for my eye look, which is fun, but it's not in a dramatic way. It's colorful, but in a very soft way. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly tell you what I use for my blush, for my bronzer, for my highlighter, as long I forgot to record. Alright, to bronze my face, I use this palette, this one from Too Faced. This is their natural face palette. If you haven't seen the palette, this palette is really gorgeous. I also mentioned this palette in my last video, and that one about the one and only makeup product you need in 2020. If you haven't checked that out, check that out. I'll put the link in the description box below. And today for my blush, I use this palette. This is also from BH Cosmetic, and this is the blush palette. I love this palette, and also I really loved this palette today, the one I used. I love BH. And for my highlighter today, I use this one right here, this one from Colourful, and this one from the Disney collection, this one called Coronation. It's just a perfect highlighter. It's not so shimmery or glittery. It's just like give your skin a nice glow. You can see I just use this one and then I'm loving it. Alright guys, so now we're left with only lips. Okay, for my lips I'm going to use Colourpop lipstick, and I'm going to mix two of them, one in the shade Aftershock, this is their matte X, and another one in the shade Chai Chai, this is their matte. This one is like a orange, bright orange kind of shade, and this one like a pinkish but dark pink kind of color. So I'm gonna match them together just to match with my eye look. Alright, so first I'm going to apply this Aftershock lipstick. And then I'm going to put another layer of this Chai Chai shade above of that. Alright guys, lipstick is on. I'm really loving this lipstick with this eye look though. And now for the setting spray, my all-time favorite what is favorite? My all-time favorite MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. I'm just gonna apply and I always apply a lot of it. Now, dry. Alright guys, so here is the complete face makeup, which is fun, colorful, at the same time it's wearable. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to finish this video right here. Now guys, if you are not subscribing to my channel, then please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video in the future. And you can also follow me in my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I have all the link in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.